What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. K here, and today we're going to be playing some more PTFS, so let's get straight into it. TV here. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Greater Rockford government and the Greater Rockford City Police Department at approximately 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Rockford City Aerospace Defense Command. The Greater Rockford City Aerospace Defense Command. At approximately 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, a nuclear warhead with the power of 47 billion Tsar bombers, 212 billion fat brains, and 916 quadrillion little boys. It was detected approximately 10 miles away from Greater Rockford, headed northwest at 35 miles an hour. This warhead is extremely dangerous, and it will strike in approximately 35 minutes. You have approximately 35 minutes to evacuate. I'm just going to go. I'm not an idiot. I'm bad at navigating the moon map. This one was a lot easier. I have 35 minutes to evacuate. I'm speeding because I know that this nuclear warhead will be here at any time. And no. I passed 25 minutes. I'm evacuating 2% of the population of Greater Rockford City. I gotta get out of here. We don't got much time. We got 35 minutes to evacuate. There's not much time to get out of here. All the other A380, all the other planes have taken off already. It's just me that hasn't taken off yet. People are waiting to evacuate. This warhead's dangerous. We're all gonna die on here. All the other things are already evacuated. I'm holding and there's not much time. gotta listen to air traffic control. There's not much time to get out of here. Watch out! A train to turn out of the way. There's not much time to... This plane's landing in unison. There's not much time to evacuate I keep mixing up. Greater Rockford, that's for Red Cross, but Greater Rockford City. All the other cities and towns and villages have been evacuated and taken to everything land. Jeez. We gotta go up and up. Peace above the clouds now. We're above the clouds now. Oh jeez. We gotta get to like 100,000 feet or something to escape this Warhead. We're going above it. Above and beyond. The angle of attack's crazy. They're probably pulling like hundreds of G's, but I mean, there's not much time. Oh, I just heard a kaboom off in the distance. That's not good. Okay, we can't level out yet. We have to go higher. Infinite fuel is on, remember, so we can go as far out as we want to, but... Just start banking. Turn around. Even though we're 40,000 feet in the air, I'm at cruising altitude for a normal plane. I'm at 40,000 feet. It's very normal for a plane. Yeah, 40,000 feet. Altitude hold. We're heading ways away from any sort of... The planes are coming in quickly. This A380 is flying itself. One eternity late though. There's the other planes. all much bigger than this A380. In groups of hundreds of millions, you could see them. They're everywhere. This must be the... I'm going 566. So I'm going really slow. Actually, I'm going really fast, pretty fast. But one eternity late though. Finally, I escaped that Warhead, hopefully. Had to fly very, very far in my A380, then everyone just jumped off for some reason. Ah well, safe here in Brookhaven. Nothing bad could possibly go wrong, right? Right? Yeah, the explosive auto shop. Almost wanted live. It's fine. I'll just go ahead and get off the plane here, grab my luggage, and head out. Oh, Brookhaven. Oh boy. Boarding flights. All of these go to Everything Land, so I wonder what's popping. Oh boy. Good. My ride's already here. They already know what's up. Pulled up at a car that I'll actually take. Check out the little ride. Oh jeez, stupid fire truck's in the way. What am I gonna do? Fucking go around it. No one asked about the fucking fire truck. Fire department shouldn't even be there. Really, if they wanted to, they could, but whatever. That's what they want to do. They do what they want to do. I hope I'm safe from that Warhead that was scheduled to hit Greater Rockford. I feel bad for them. Well, those that didn't evacuate. The last plane to ever take off from Rockford was that A380. Last Nitro flight ever. Nitro Airways flight. Well, for now, at least. Yeah, well, time to watch some TV. Let's see what's popping on the news. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. I can't do anything too. Alright, time to put on some TV. Ads. Let's watch some Survivor. One day in Brookhaven, the military manages to gain access to the criminals' files in the computer. Then, Bob! The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County Emergency Management Agency and the Madison County government at approximately 11:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 10,000 nuclear warheads, the size of the 100 times the size of the one that hit Greater Rockford, are heading for Madison County and any other area that is not evacuated to Everything Land. Those 10,000 warheads are all expected to hit Brookhaven in approximately 15 minutes. You can evacuate if you choose, but evacuation could lead to death. When evacuating, make sure that you bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries, and make sure your devices are completely charged. When evacuating, make sure to put a white towel in any visible part of your home to let civil authorities know that you have evacuated. Please, seeking shelter is not a viable option. Evacuate if you choose, and please do so as well. Wow, 10,000 warheads. That's something you never expected, huh? Well, I guess I'll be safe in Red Cliff. Hopefully there I'll be safe. You know what? Screw it. I'm heading over to the secret base. That area can't get destroyed, right? Like, there's no way. That's just impossible. Oh boy. I'll head over to the military base. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, I'm gonna die. Just start heading up into the stratosphere. There's no time to explain why we're heading up to the stratosphere. That's the only escape from these stupid nuclear warheads. Yeah, my phone and my NOAA weather radio. When evacuating, please. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. If you are not in this local area, please tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. This is KEC 97. We will discontinue regular programming. Well, that kind of sucks. It does, but we have to. Well, whatever. There's no point anyways. There actually kind of is. Well, then what is the point? I don't know. Well, if you don't know, then you might as well just shut up and continue on with the alert. Good idea. Pop! 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 Huh? What did you forget to get? Oh, dang. Red Cliff City should be somewhat safer. Hopefully. If not, I'm screwed. I think this house is a helipad. That's the place I was before. Last EAS scenario. Red Cliff should be safer than Brookhaven. They always say that, and yet it isn't. So I wonder why they keep saying that. If it isn't. Well, it's whatever. I mean, they do what they want to do anyways. So, whatever. I'm in my house. I'm doing my thing. Dang. Booty. Oh crap. Someone just rang my doorbell. Who is it? Oh, it's someone I don't even know. Dude, please leave. Just please. Yeah, just please leave. I'm making... Please do disturb. Please don't disturb. There we go. I don't like the shotgun. It's gonna do the trick. That's good. Got the gold gun. Modifying guns at the double barrel. At the double barrel. At the double barrel shotgun. Double barrel shotguns, nice. Insurance. Locks insurance. The only insurance that's actually good. Yeah. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Red Cliff City Emergency Management Agency and the Red Cliff City Civil Defense Command and the Red Cliff City government. Approximately 9:13 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. 20,000 nuclear warheads, 100 times the power of the ones that hit Brookhaven, and 1,000 times the power of the ones that hit Greater Rockford are coming in to hit Red Cliff City. Please be sure to evacuate. There is no time to seek shelter. Repeating. Be sure to evacuate. There is no time to seek shelter. When evacuating, make sure to bring all essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a hand crank radio, and extra batteries. And make sure all your devices you bring with you are fully charged. Also, when evacuating, make sure you evacuate to everything land, nowhere else. Thank you for your cooperation. Crap, there is nowhere else I can go. Oh, crap. Well, I guess I really am dead. I'm a dead man. Alright, I'm just gonna go to Everything Land now. I'm just gonna go straight up. I'm higher than that plane. Well, I really do have nowhere else to go. I guess I really am dead. Boom. I could head to destroy a city, but if I do, then there's just more to this EAS scenario than I want there to be. I don't want there to be too much lore with the scenarios, okay? Just know that. But whatever. I mean, since I don't have anywhere else to go, I'm just gonna say my final goodbyes now. Tried evacuating, but evacuation only led to my downfall. I'll try to go higher, but in doing that, this is not gonna work. I'm just gonna sit here and hope that I survive. Wait, I did! That explosion only went up to the volcano and a little higher than that. I survived! But the width and the shockwave. There's so much destruction. This is my final goodbyes.